chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Maragabomya weri tukore 15 mwatinyoka no mwaka wechiri ubere 2025 ikine kionga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenye chengatere Nyaboga Wilson makori korwaso muno hoye manyerere kabana intoweka omwero na atoko chaka korwase county ya Nyamira nigo chiamate sato chikorwa eward area gachuba miye bunge yakitutu masaba county ya Nyamira bari ne kibako gokera ose bari babere no muchando bugotatu ara chinyomba ase Getembe bari ne kibako gokera magega yo mwana siasa asereta wota chanu kwimukia igetambukiro na kubarosera chinyomba kokwana mugasorero nigo chiamate chisato chiamwiranire buya muskechanwa ase bono baburikiro umuntu gusomona siasa obwate ogwanchokuya kogendera gusira abantu banse ase ebinyoro
muri yakori kwande namwariga igambu gifero bwetuti egwati yagakiba ngo yaso mugambi kenu aso gubutera migati ya fako tekasa kiteko konyi kinureke
aigani watwanyorete omuske worta chanwa niga kitaga konya oyo renge no borema oyo mtu nyamwari cyandikira matuka amange tabwati nyomba akomenya niga getega igani garweta mabati akarukire gento enyomba nere yagachirwe ngo nege nta komwa aketa wate worta chanwa asibenge ibiriyo bwate biraba Nyamira batakire ngango kwaborekera ukyo bugabana no toramo naye nando bwate ngore yokonya mbuya mono mugambi asokonya abantu bayi
Elieta mali yankoro ko sitombirongo oyo nero mugakona iga no abugona akina akirembu jamona na akoreirwa maya nande sichiko richikoreki tira no nanda nyore abwate bo yani agenderere ibo igo mutindo natebi asante sana
kana gwetenga mwa identified aba minto kwa gakirwe nyomba buneye natebire ngambu ya mono ekiara konyara batwalire problem imbure yeko batwera kare gutunambu tuko bakonya kunganya banya gutinena kero kenda se gutu igo bono itwa togoteba ngambuya asenge jiogocha na gutosira elinde ne arabekerwe ekerameke mburate mutwera and at the same time aende boyego na era atacha machanyi
igo bone kero obedi bante betina mwako yo Robert naendo korokwe rieta linde naki okoko ebante betinga iga ekenyoreke bomoria tu na sanda korukumiriri na sanda korukunya alias abantu mbaroro batatu tutagite tokonye enyombe yakero na yero na inyore nyomba twamenyete kero turabake aba yarenge iga lakini chikona ya moje tiko korwe ekamochiko baround chikona ekere mbura yarenge gotwesenge njobo nyansi ngoira bora abo wika matuko gete bwasinya igotwa arenge tukabeka chisagasaga chikanga gokora one gaike kare mbure gotwa tokobeke besen twatangira mache gere titoba isogotwero enyombe yagwate chiro muibere
abamenyi korwa manga igotoka ebunge ya Borabu county ya Nyamira nigo besokire na kogikiria ebikoro byobwo byetugo obwaye bwagendere kwenekiwa ase enseme yo gokona na Getembe nigo bono bagani oborindi gotinyegwa ase chinseme echo unenchera ya moyo gokianiwa kubosaria ase chinseme echo cha manga
abatwamete biye myaka ngetatu igene etano botaiyo egenti gyo ando boibo nande boira ni rere tieri eri bina arenge bono rende to gosaba ngaki ase ndokora mubasigari baito tubugata gosaba gambe baito batema bali sana bina bagotema lakini ekoleka kana babuiru serikali yitane ne bwante kwa sagime era nyene byombo batabwati byo kominyo kyobo bobo byo byombe kwale tira sare sabari mibaito byombe betu bakatwa twa robuoba abantu bande baanze kono cyombe cyabe kiyagara barore riba ngombe cyo kwande bosabanze koni
na se cyombe chigwete serikali ne manyete serikali njanya ko text ipwende yonsi go sieke njere iyo go sego ko sirio boibio una bona cyombe chite chikorubuna ko Nyamira county gaiga chiasire go chie county ya itere next bona twali kubulia serikali uchiaria se chigo chiaswa oro sana rulindo manyire kia ko eretara take action bakabona
tatu wa karambia mona sana mu mpito osero temire sana chipara kuchinyansio kanchi ya serikali sana lakini abaje takatema sana na batu bekrete mora mdo chinge parambu yere nechi paranchire chuna gochiga arambe moyino gochimemisi chitaraba buya echigerete patro ne jaba sigare go ikase Chinsa mna reka to kubwati chombe cheito chipara konyora nganchiri bungiya igongo sava county government chipare chiko chimemisi ga bune government ngandata ko temango gotoroseri bari patoroseri chipare chibe buya elinde na lini tu amagendera se asibura buya itoga
boda nduwa security saine sengi njana bokonya kwirire kasa mu kusamu yali uchi kwirana mipi kwa nyare mekoro no kwa nyere tenjira sengi njubu gimabwa wira bokongo igobono security tigementu
na tokera na ime county ya Kisii ni go James Nyaboga airanira abisi buna umukarani gose eklagi we county ya Kisii eje ningo bwatikana no kuna cha wiki gambero anene mono igoro yobokorere bwe serikali asia chigeto buna Nyaboga airana abisi na abeka gwakana umushahara oye korwa chinga kichiri abe risko gose korwa chinga kichiri abete kagwa kwa isiko na serikali ya county ya Kisii wekera buna tokwa na iga gosomora go boyo iga ni go Nyaboga ari asia abisi echo na agotema gosoime erio achake emirimo yaye bene Muraibwensi ya Kenya muske Daktari William Samoei Ruto ni go ahora krio bwegeno bwo chakobwa chikura chire mutwe cyo mwaka 2027 gukona kurwaje Parung egotoka Bomet County asio moyiga boko mwenya waziri John Koech oyorenge omo waziri anene muno chinga kicho morai ogatatu bwense omuske Moi Kibaki ni go muske Ruto aereire egatie meroberero go samagendro eserikali yaje yabereke gwikareneria abakenya.
Mimi ninajua ya kwamba nimepatiwa kazi na wananchi wa taifa la Kenya. Na hiyo kazi nimepatiwa, najua mtihani ni 2027. Na hiyo mtihani ya 2027 sipangi kuanguka hiyo mtihani. Hiyo mtihani ya 2027 mimi najua. vile nitapita hiyo mtihani, kwa sababu mlianiambia nirekebishe kilimo, na hiyo kilimo nimerekebisha. Chai inalipa better, kahawa inalipa better, fertilizer nimeteremsha chini, maziwa inalipa better. Sio ndio mtihani? Mliniambia niunganishe stima. In 5 years tutakuwa tumeunganisha 1.2 million people. Mliniambia nirekebishe elimu. Elimu nimenyorosha CBC, nimeajiri walimu 76,000, niko na funding model mpya ambaye imeokoa ma university karibu 23 ilikuwa imecollapse. Hiyo program inaendelea mzuri. Tulikubaliana na nyinyi mambo ya kupanga ajira ya vijana. Hiyo ajira inasonga pale kwa affordable housing, inasonga kwa mambo ya market, inasonga kwa mambo ya digital jobs, inasonga kwa mambo ya export of labor. Mimi niko na scorecard ambaye itadhihirisha wazi ya kwamba hiyo kazi ya kupanga ajira ya vijana nimetekeleza. Muliniambia nipange mambo ya afya. Mambo ya afya ndio hii. Hakuja kuwa na watu milioni 21 wamesajiliwa katika mpango ya afya. Kufikia sasa, jana, watu 21 million walikuwa wamejisajili kwa programu ya SHA. Ile
na abarai kore serikali au boigo barubwa abasani baime bomurayo bwense nigo igati yabo muwaziri boboreni boime Moscones Maskip chumba murukomen omo senator Okericho omoske Aaron Cheriot na boigo mo governor Onarok omoske Patrick Orentutu nigo bamotogire murayo bwense asoborayo bwaya na goteba tibagochia gwancherondo bwense kogenda kumusarira murayo bwense leta sibatebire nigo barachigo chamo buno muri ganderimo na kumubwatisia umurayo bwense eganga yayo koikeraneria abakenya amagenderero.
And I want to say this to the country, that it may have looked like it was a difficult time for you, President, last year. But what you did by broadening your government, stabilizing our country, learning from the experiences that your predecessor did, it's going to change this country. And I believe when the time comes, this government will be that government that will have delivered even far much better for this nation because of your foresight and a leadership that brings everybody together. Lastly, ule mzee aliongea hapa, aliongea vizuri sana kuhusu kelele ya siasa. Wewe rais umetoa mwelekezo, umetuambia sisi kwa watu ya security. Hatuwezi kubali kiongozi kama huyu ambayo ni sisi ndio tumemchagua kwa kura aharibiwe jina. Hatuwezi kubali mtu mwingine wote ambayo hatujui nia yake ni nini kuja kufunza watoto wetu mambo mabaya. Huyu mzee amesema hii maneno ikisidi, hata wale kidogo kidogo unasikia wanasema ni nini. Wewe usijali, Your Excellency. Endelea na kazi yako, tuko nyuma yako na tutaendelea kufanya kazi mpaka mwisho. Ajana hata na hii 2027 ama nini. You are leading us up to that 2032.
Kwamba zidi kutia bidii unapowatumikia wananchi wa Kenya na kupambana na hali na challenges zile ambazo unapatana naye katika nchi yetu. Itafika siku moja ambaye historia itaandikwa na wananchi watakumbuka yale mazuri yote ambaye uliwafanyia. Haya ambaye yanaendelea katika magazeti, unajua hata mimi kwa usomi, mimi ni mwanahabari. What I'm reading in the media, that's not journalism anymore. Ile vitu ambaye tunaona kwa magazeti, that is not journalism anymore. It is as if all the rules have been suspended. And I want to appeal to the country that there will be another president after William Ruto. That the institution of the presidency is not just about William Ruto alone. This is a seat that is sacred to the country. Let us have limits ya ile maneno ambaye unaweza kusema kuhusu yule ambaye amekalia kiti. Sababu
Muraiwense muske Daktari William Samoei Ruto na boigo mwaziri w'ekigosori muske Salim Mvura nigo barire eira yogochigosira ebyewa gosechi taranta ase abasai anene mono chigosori achiria chimupira ase batabire nigo barachi kweneke abuna ebiti byonsi byogochiesea nkoborosi gwabire ase chinchira chiria chiganerie.
When I made a commitment about 10 years ago when I was deputy president, many people made fun of me with the stadia. But we are going to surprise them. Yes. Because we are not only going to do the stadia, we are going to add sports academies, and we are going to build a world-class stadium in Jamhuri, just to demonstrate that we can match what we are saying with what we are doing. And so, Mr. Brian, yeah, I like your confidence. I like the confidence of your team. And you are a good team leader. Yeah? You have my support, as I have said, with your team. And please, make me come to the finals of AFCON.
A lot of work to nurture the grassroots talents. And this is part of what your vision is, Your Excellency. The under-20 football rising star is very historic, Your Excellency. This is the first time that a Kenyan team of this age is going to compete in AFCON, and we are giving you all the support. I'm very confident, from what the captain has said. Even though the group is touted as the group of death, there is no death there. It is a group where you can win, and I'm sure you will win. It is a good prelude for AFCON and CHAN, and therefore
it is my hope and prayer that this will continue even at the sub-county or at the constituency level, where we need facilities for our footballers. Women football is on the rise. We need to invest a little bit more also in women football as we develop football holistically. Your Excellency, the Ministry of Sports has been of great support, and I wish to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry, especially the Cabinet Secretary, the PS, and the entire team at Ministry of Sports and Arts and Creative Economy. They have done us a huge favor and a huge service by the support that they have accorded us over the last couple of months. They've held our hands.
Us as boys, we have been happy because we have been kept in a good environment, and the preparations have been well. And about the group that we are in, I want to assure you that as under 20, we are going to...
Wizara ya mazingira nigo yarurege kurege tindi gocha abantu bari bagutuguta egoto ande onsi gukwana corona ivasha nigo muwaziri wa mazingira musubati Debra Barasa atebire ogotuguta egoto ande onsi nigo kogosari ariroba na nigo eserikali irachikwe ondo bwensi urachi konyorekana kagotuguta egoto ande onsi getambukiro egetindi kerichiko.
Most of these challenges are driven by unsustainable and uncontrolled use of agricultural lands, chemicals from farmlands, effluents from the hotel industry, and some instances of encroachment on riparian areas. If this continues, we should soon lose the very important ecosystem services that our people much depend on. There are notable instances of effluent discharge into the lake, construction on riparian areas, and farming activities along the shores. This is unacceptable, and we shall be taking action. This is why the project we are launching today is timely and will go a long way in contributing to sustainable management of the ecosystem.
Narayo kuri Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi, Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyicho butukobwarero haruno toto nyangiri na chiko koretera yo mona yanda mange asenchira yo bwekero ngenda toro burige burobya asemirobya Getembe TV ekobwata chenka tirini Nyaboga Wilson makori kuraso mona hoyi manyeriro Kevin Ongeri na ragenda to kone kebuna chibuchechiga na Mario yingo kirachire asenchira ere yo bwekerano.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi meyense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira